Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Jamaican brown stew cow foot. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is clean and wash your cow foot. I have washed this with some water and vinegar. It depends on you if you want to wash it with lime water or any other water of your choice, you can use that. As you may know, there are different ways to prepare this recipe, but this is my way. If you have any way that you do yours, you can share it in the comment section below. After washing the meat properly, I am going to prepare my seasonings by cutting them into desired pieces. At this point, I am working with carrots, garlic, tomato, scallion and thyme, onion and sweet pepper. I also have some powder seasonings that I will be adding to this recipe. You can use whatever seasonings that you have and whatever seasonings that you like. After seasoning the meat properly, leave it to marinate. Now put some oil in your frying pan, fry your meat. This will get rid of any rawness there is and it will give the meat flavor. You can add browning to give a color. As you can see, I've put some browning in the pot so it can give the meat color. After putting the browning in, I am going to add some water and the rest of seasonings that I have left, and I'm going to leave it to pressure. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can still try this recipe. It will just take a little more time, but just make sure that you check to see when it is done. It also depends on how soft you like your meat, so you can cook it to your liking. After leaving it to pressure for about 30 to 45 minutes, I have removed the pressure cooker top to see if it was done, but as you can see, it is still a little hard, so I am going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will add the rest of my seasonings and leave it to simmer. This recipe is a very delicious recipe. It is quick and it is easy, and it is something that you will enjoy. Please let me know in the comment section if you have tried this recipe before, and let me know the method that you have used to prepare it. Also, please let me know if you haven't tried this recipe before, but if it seems interesting and you will try it. This wraps it up for this recipe. I hope you have learned something new, and I hope you will definitely try this recipe out. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. Just know that I appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.